Okay guys, so we're doing a, a deep clean on this system. The homeowner was complaining about smelling like cat, and we found out that the previous owner had a lot of cats in here. So we're doing a deep clean. We're taking the blower wheel apart to clean it better. And since we're here, we're gonna check the capacitor for the blower motor. And it's reading 5.49. That's a little bit lower than the 7.5 microfarads that it's recommended. So we'll recommend getting a new capacitor for this blower motor before this fails.